When it comes to penetration testing, only a select few are truly skilled in utilizing the Burp Suite to its full potential. However, one common mistake made by novice penetration testers is conducting a burp scan without properly analyzing the cookie expiration time. This oversight can lead to serious security vulnerabilities being missed, which can ultimately compromise the target system. It is crucial for all penetration testers to take this aspect of Burp Suite usage into consideration in order to ensure a thorough and effective testing process. Let's see how we can automate the cookie session expiration problem using the Burp Suite macros. Observe the request. The server responds with 500 internal server error due to an expired cookie. First, we have to analyze the login flow. Here, the application sends two consequent requests. The first request will grab the CSRF token, and the CSRF token will pass in the next login request body along with the credentials. We can automate this process using the burp macros. Navigate to settings and search for macros. In the macros, click the add button, then select the requests that are responsible for the successful login. Name the macro for later identification. Now go to the session handling rules. In the rule actions, we can find the add rule option. In the drop-down, select the run a macro option and then select the macro that we created previously. Check the option, update current request with cookies from the session handling cookie jar. After that, select the scope UL and apply the rule to all tools. Verify if the macro rule is working by sending the expired request in the repeater. Observe that this time the newly generated cookie will be automatically updated. Now you can run the burp scan on the target web application without encountering session expiration errors, and we can find vulnerabilities without missing. If you find this information helpful and learn something new, please like the video and subscribe for more Burp Suite tips in future videos.